Hey guys, it's Rochelle here, and today I'm making bunny jelly. So now let's get started. And then first, you get 250 milliliters of coconut water. And then you should have this one, 250 milliliters of it. Coconut water. Agar powder. Just I'm turning on the heater, and then the agar powder and the coconut water is now gonna get hot. Look at how it gets hot. And then I have to put it in high heat. Now, this is 80 grams of sugar in this cup. And in the other cup, it's 215 milliliters of coconut milk. Sugar. This is sugar. This is what a sugar is. And coconut milk. Coconut water in it. This is coconut milk. Add this in. This coconut milk in. Then use 80 grams of sugar, just normal sugar. Then I'll mix it. Mix it very well. Then I'll leave the spoon over here. And this is the bunny set. Then you put a drop of food coloring on the bowl. That is what makes the food coloring and the plate. And then now let's get started. And we'll start to put coconut. Just a little bit of coconut. That's coconut water. And this is little bit of and that became green. Now, this is all the right color. But then now let's get started with the bunny jelly setting. Okay guys, now I'll add the mixture that's for the coloring. 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the jelly is ready. Now it's time to take it out. So hope you can like the video and share it with your friend. And please subscribe our channel and turn on all notifications.